It's a 2022 Sylvan X3 Tri-Toon. Does have the full-length center tune, performance package underneath. You have your lifting strakes, underskin, in-floor storage in the center tune, 2 benches in the front with loungers on them, cup holders. Cup holders are recessed, keeps your drinks out of the sun. Speakers, storage under all the seats. Dual high back helm captain's chairs. They recline, swivel, move forward and back. Cup holder for the passenger. Side gate. There's a changing room there. Real nice helm. There's storage underneath. Tilt steering. This one has a depth finder. JL audio stereo system. Rated for 10 passengers. 2 more bench loungers in the back. Cup holders, really nice table. It's got the black wood green look. This one does have an electric bimini. Does come with that and the full cover. Nice wide stainless ladder, 4 steps to get you down deep into the water. Ski tow, 200 horse Mercury outboard, extended deck, upgraded teak weave flooring. Really spacious boat. Nice and roomy. Check this one out at SkipperBud's.